How to create a PayPal invoice. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have. And then let's get started right away. So, first thing that we're gonna do is going to the right to the more button, which is 3 dots, click on it, and then click on create an invoice. A new invoice is now created and you're gonna edit it now. We can edit the currency or the template, and here you can see the details of the sender. We can add a logo, we can change here the invoice number and edit the invoice date and change the due date. You can also choose to bill a single customer or bill multiple customers with the email addresses or names that you're gonna type in here. After that, you can add items in the invoice. Each item has its name, its quantity, and price and tax. We're here creating an example item, which is an iPhone of quantity of 2, price of 500, and you have an option to add a tax. We can add this as an example tax, which is VAT, and having a rate of 10% or whatever rate here that you want. Click on add. Now we can choose it from the menu here. When we click on it, now the VAT or the tax is applied on the final checkout. Here's the description for each item. You can also add another item if you want. We're gonna add another example item, an iPad with quantity 1, price 1000, and choose another tax. As you can see, the tax is applied on both items. Here's the 10% tax and here's the 5% tax. You can also add another description, and if you want to remove this item, you're gonna click on the X button on its right. Now it's removed and only the iPhone item is remained. You can also add a note to the customer or a message to the customer, and if you click on more options, you can add a self memo or an attachment that you only see. Here, as you can see, again, you can change the invoice number or date, and as you can see, we can choose the range, the day's range that the customer can pay in it as a deadline. You can add here any discount. We can add 50%, for example. Now it removed the discount amount. Now it's 600 euros. That's if you want to allow partial payments. And that's it. You can click on preview, and this is the final invoice that is sent to the customer. You can click on send, but first make sure to add the email address and then click on send so that it's sent to the right customer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button in order to like the video, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.